Bears are rather interesting creatures. I observe them quite often during hikes in the mountains. Check out my Wild Weeds channel if you have any doubts about this. Having said that, the Russian word for bear is medved, and here are a few sample sentences featuring this word. Medved ворвался в hijinu means the bear broke into the cabin. В ручье купается медведь means there's a bear swimming in the creek. Медведь съел всю нашу еду means the bear ate all our food. Никогда не тревожьте сварливого медведя and не будите спящего медведя both mean never disturb a grumpy bear. Just to be clear, Polярный медведь and белый медведь both mean polar bear. Медведь grizzly means grizzly bear. Panda means panda. Plüshevый медведь means teddy bear, or more literally, plush bear. Koala means koala, and Zlatovlaska и три медведя means Goldilocks and the three bears, which is a children's story of English origin. However, it was translated into Russian by Leo Tolstoy and later became known in Russian as Masha и три медведя, which means Masha and the three bears. In fact, there are many cartoon presentations featuring Masha and the three bears. And here are a few phrases containing the word bear. Умнее обычного медведя means smarter than your average bear. Медведь какает в лесу means does a bear poop in the woods. Голоден как медведь means hungry as a bear. Медвежий угол means God-forsaken place, or more literally, bear's corner. Also the idiom ему медведь на ухо наступил, which means a bear stepped on his ear, indicates that someone is tone deaf. It is used to discourage someone from singing, as in ne poi, тебе медведь на ухо наступил, which means don't sing, a bear stepped on your ear. And of course, bear and bear are different words, and it should be noted that bare necessities translates to something like Samaya необходимая. Now for a couple jokes. Как называют медведя без зубов means what do you call a bear with no teeth? Or put another way, как вы называете беззубого медведя? Which means what do you call a toothless bear? And the answer in either case is marmeladny mishka, which means a gummy bear. By the way, gummy worm would be lipki cherv or marmeladny chervyak. And our second joke goes like this. Как называют медведя без ушей? Which means what do you call a bear with no ears? Как угодно он вас не слышит, which means whatever you want, it can't hear you. And that's about it for this lesson, but please bear in mind that it is important to do the learning activities available at ruskiad.com in order to reinforce this lesson. Link in the description.